Huniepop, and in this video, I'm gonna try my best to make sure I end up successfully getting through a date with Nikki. And by the way, I'm gonna dance while I look this up real fast. It turned one of my one of you my lovely viewers decided to send me a message telling me about Tiffany and Jesse. And to be honest, I kind of wanted to figure it out by myself, but yeah, I just want to pull this up real fast, so then that way you guys can I can read this out loud. Let's see. Where is that? Okay, here we go. Okay, Jessie is Tiffany's mom. Also, when you do date, something hold on, I gotta pull up the actual. Oh crap! No, stop it! Shut up! Sorry, I forgot it takes me to the video itself, but yeah, it says also when you do dates, build up the pink ones at the beginning. They make your overall multiple bigger. And to be honest, I don't know what that means, so but anyways, back to dancing. Yeah, this is the dance what my buddy Xander showed me how to do. Okay, but anyways, let me adjust my setup so that way I can see my recording time. Yeah, as usual, I am not prepared. The real question is, when am I ever? By the way, the person who messaged me on Steam, Artronic Fox Arthenims, I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right. How dare you? How dare you? Just like, you know what I say about your message? Me. That's what I think. Me. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So, continue from where I left off. Alright, day 5.
Oh boy. Same shit, different day, eh?
Let's see. Nikki's asleep, so who did I not talk to in the last episode? I know in the last episode I talked to I think I talked to Kiana. I know I went on a date with Tiffany. I think I went on a date with Audrey, so I think I'll go with...
Swing by the campus later and keep me company.
Will do. Yeah, I just want to say this right now. I have noticed that some of the...
Hey, I'm glad I ran into you.
Damn! Yeah, I'm sorry about the quality about some of the videos. When I play this, I don't know what the problem is. I don't know if it's the grams or anything. I honestly don't know. But anyways, let's talk.
I get the sense something's on your mind.
You bet.
I've always loved autumn.
Autumn.
It's such a pretty season.
I gotta agree with that. It's quite a beautiful
It
season.
seems like you have something to say.
How much do you weigh? Boy, I'm gonna take a chance.
I'll be turning 24 soon.
Oh.
But at the moment, I'm 23.
Damn, you're 3 years older than me. Alright, so I need to check something real fast. Nikki.
Until next time.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't want to leave. Fudge. I did not want to leave.
What's up?
Not much. I accidentally forgot to change it to this. I wanted to see, like, information. So, you preferred beer, age, don't know, high school, you only have high school education, birthday, weight, height. Yeah, so, Yeah, as I was saying in like the last episode when I first asked you this, I think I'm like about 5'6". I don't know, but you know, it's screwed. I'm just gonna talk with her.
Do you mind if I ask you a question real
Shoot.
quick? How do you feel about people who drink coffee every day?
I do enjoy coffee once in a while. Coffee is poison. I gave that shit up a while ago. I have a feeling it's gonna be this one because I think she hates working at her job.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Oh, come on! Why do I even play games?
So... yeah.
Awkward. What do you do, like, for work? I mean, I know she works at the coffee shop. I don't think I have that in my Honeybee. But where is your favorite place to hang out?
I like to play video games.
Hey,
Especially
me too.
fighting games and online MMOs.
Ooh. Nikki and I got some traits we like. Sadly, she's just a drawing. But anyway, what's here? Food. She like the candy. She likes candy.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Well, I'm not gonna turn down free candy. So maybe this is kinda personal, but do you believe in the paranormal?
Oh, don't even get me started on it.
What? No, you're bullshitting me.
Damn it.
Anything you want to talk about?
I already asked her what her favorite color is. I think it's like teal or something. Beige, I think. Or beige.
It's fine, that's just how guys are. It's Anne-Marie.
Oh, that's cute.
Okay, I guess that's fine. I mean, if you really want to go.
Yeah, let's go. This'll be fun. Yeah, I'm trying to make these episodes longer because hello.
Well, it's not an arcade.
Well, that's
But
a cute outfit.
I guess games are games.
But I think I prefer you with your glasses, though. Okay, so build up the pinks first. I know she likes blue, but sadly I have no blue set up. I'll have to work on that. There we go. Whoa! What the heck happened? Sometimes.
Aw, nice!
I want to get rid of some.
Wow. I'm not sure what to say.
Say thank you. And you love me. Whoa.
That's awfully nice of you. Not too bad.
Well, that worked somehow. What? Oh my.
Blah.
Why? Ugh. I am a failure. Why do I even try? Jesse.
Peace.
Hey. I don't know the tricks of Nikki.
Oh, goody. My sexy.
Ayako. Well, fuck me. I finally won something at the casino. Get great. Now maybe I can put a tiny dent in my massive debit. Oh. Well, that's a nice picture. And I think, I don't think I've seen that outfit yet. Well, I don't think, at least.
Your boyfriend is here.
That's a
You
talk.
can ask me anything you like.
I won't forget, when is your birthday? Hold on, let me check something. Did I already ask what her birthday was? Nope, I did not. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
We've covered that. Ask me something different.
How the frick or frack was that? Oh, okay, January 27th. Okay, I forgot she was the girl that was born in the same month as me.
So, I'm dying to know something right now.
Oh dear.
If you won $1 million, how would you spend it?
Oh, let's see. I'd spend it all on luxuries for my girlfriend. Think I'd hang on to it. There's not much I want. Feed the hungry in less fortunate parts of the world. That's most likely me, but since she's because of another comment, basically she's greedy, so.
Oh, baby. You knew that's what I wanted to hear, didn't you?
Yeah, because of one of my fellow viewers told me that. And I need to update some settings. So I've got enough to amp up on my other ones, so. Passion.
Something you need from me, sweetie?
Do you prefer one season over the other?
Which one? Well, if you mean my real last name, it's May.
May. Did I ever ask Tiffany what her last name was? In college? No, I did not. I already know that Tiffany and Jessie are mother and sister. Mother and daughter. I forgot to check what type of food she likes. So she likes dessert, junk food. Okay. Ooh. Oh, goldfish. I need that. That's junk food, dessert.
My agent, how can something so good
can't do
be
that.
bad for you? I'll just work it off later.
Maybe. No, wait. Here we go. I'll keep you guys in here until I'm in the park. Alright.
So, tell me something. Do you like the lights on or off during sex? Oh, well, that's nice.
Ugh. Why do I even play games?
Is there anything else you'd like to know about me?
I already know her birthday, cup size, so.
I'm an actress. You see, I make very special movies for my fans.
In other words, you're a. Not even gonna say it because of all the younger viewers.
You can ask me anything you like.
Forgive me, haven't. What's your last name? That's May. Do you prefer one season? Hobbies?
Winter has always been my favorite since I was little. Good memories.
Okay, so now I'm gonna ask
Sure,
around.
baby.
I just
Where
want
are
to
you
get
taking
some more
me?
information.
No, wait. Surprise me.
Outdoor lounge. Oh, this is the location where Kyuta. Hello.
Oh, I remember this place. I once blew a guy. Never mind.
Not even gonna question that. Okay. Let's see. I can't remember what colors does she like. Okay, she likes the red. I don't have a lot of reds here, so.
I love this.
Whoa, what the crap did I do? Get rid of this. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know what I did there. Whatever it did, let's see what happens again. Oh boy, those hearts are coming back.
It's beautiful.
Oh god, this is not good. Oh god. Scared the crap out of me.
I love this. That's my baby.
Please work.
I love this.
Yes! Clap her up. Round of applause for me.
I could get used to this kind of treatment.
Yeah, don't get used to it. Okay, so that's 3 dates with her. Girl, probably Tiffany.
Sweet dreams.
Hey, I didn't expect to see you here.
Oh dear. I'm so excited. I just got signed to do a slow vid for a pretty popular site. They saw my banana set and had to have me. What? Oh dear. Well, that is quite interesting. I think I'm
This
scarred.
early. I want to ask you something.
Shoot.
What's your idea of, like, the perfect date?
Candlelight dinner, followed by moonlit walk on the beach. Any time spent with somebody I care about is good enough.
You're such a liar.
What do you want from me? First of all, what type of food do you like? Breakfast and candy. Yeah, that kids don't overdo it on sweets and all that. It's really bad for you.
Oh god, I love... I shouldn't. What do you want to know about me?
What do you do for work? When is your birthday?
Simple. My last name is May. Tiffany May.
Yep, those two I knew those two were somehow related, but, yeah, but I didn't know that Tiffany was Jesse's daughter.
Something on your mind?
Yeah, I am also secretly dating your mother. What you do away? What is your favorite place right now? What do you study in college?
I could swear I've already told you that.
I'm an idiot. college, May. I'm a fucking idiot.
Hey, question.
Go
If
shoot.
you had to pick one, what do you think your biggest weakness is? You? Nah. What would you have to be insecure about?
A lot of things. And I need to... Oh, I've got enough honey so I can do this. Okay, so...
I wonder if you'll remember this. What's my last name?
You just told me it's May.
Wow, you got it. Most guys would have forgotten by now. Question time.
More question.
You're not, like, dating anybody else right now, are you?
No.
Jerk! I am so hungry.
Forgot they need to have food for me to go on a date with them.
Free right now. Oh god, alright. How can I say no to that? It's so pretty here. It smells so nice too.
This is the flower garden, not the park. Okay. And she likes green. She liked the Matthew Games green. I have no idea why I started singing there. Ooh.
I love it!
I've only got 6 moves left. That's not good. Oh boy. Oh yeah. I might actually fail. Yep, I failed it. Fucking purple hearts. I failed. Fuck you, purple hearts. And I don't mean the award.
That
I
didn't
mean-
go exactly as I
I mean
hoped it
the
would.
hearts in this game. Fuck. Girlfriend or...
I'll see you later.
Actually, I think I might try asking Nikki out again. Actually, I need to find out if there's a girl...
I'm kind of busy.
Ah, the park.
Finally.
Okay, I needed to go here because I think I'm supposed to talk with the person here.
Hey, baby. You look so hot right now. Is there anything else you'd like to know about me?
Birthday, you already told me that.
These puppies? Double D's. 100% natural, too.
Too much information there.
I'm
Jesse.
curious whether or not you've been paying attention to me. Quick, without looking, what's my cup size? Well, okay. You can take a quick peek.
You just told me.
I'm impressed. Most guys just freeze up when I ask them something like that.
Okay, now let's see. Items. Garbage can. And then girl finder.
Until next time.
Oh,
Excuse me.
you're
Did you
a
drop these
cat.
fishies here? If you don't want them, can I have them?
1, you're a cat. 2, who the hell are you?
Yes!
Okay.
Thank you! I'll love them forever and ever! Cosplay? I don't think so. I'm Momo. I'm the kitty.
You're Momo?
Well, I don't have a master.
You're
I
Momo?
don't like being a stray kitty.
You're a
it's no
cat.
fun.
Although, I do love cats, but you're a cat. That'll be nice.
Do you think so? Wait! I just got an idea.
No.
You can be my master. You're super duper nice. You'll take good care of me, yeah?
Sure, but, you're a cat lady.
Really? Thank you! I'll be the best kitty in the whole world, I promise! I can't believe this! My own master!
Oh, God. Yeah, my buddy Xander did tell me about the hidden characters, but he did not tell me one of them was a effing cat. Well, I'm talking to her.
I know more about cats than you! See, I'll show you! What kind of animal has more teeth? A kitty or a doggy? Master, you need to brush up on your cat knowledge.
I don't know a lot about cats. All I know is I like to have them as pets.
Ready for a kitty question?
Not really.
What's a scientific name for a kitty? Wow, you're really good at cats!
I just took a random guess. I didn't even know that. Wait. Food. So you like veggies and desserts. So yeah, basically a balanced out thing.
Delicious! Veggies are so tasty! What a treat! Is there anything I can do for you, Master?
Oh yeah. Sorry if I'm eating. I know this is rude. I'm eating in front of you guys. But before I started recording, I grabbed some cookies while I was upstairs, and I couldn't resist. I love cookies.
I sleep a lot. I'm always really, really sleepy.
Well, you're a cat.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
What do you want to talk about?
Hobby.
For work? I don't know. I'm a kitty.
you just look like a girl dressed up like a cat.
Time for a kitty quiz!
Oh no.
What's a kitty doing when it's trilling?
What the hell is trilling?
No, silly! Don't you know anything about kitties?
I know nothing about cats.
Let's see how much you know about kitties! How long does a cat spend sleeping in one day?
10 out of 12.
Wait, is that right? I don't think so.
I'm gonna talk to Nikki.
Okay, now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do tonight.
Besides... Oi.
Hi. Do you mind if I ask you a question real quick?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you go to a lot of parties? Ditto. It's just
Oh,
an
wow, that's a
excuse
lot.
to get drunk and act stupid.
Basically, no offense to people who do that.
What's on your mind?
Lame question, what's your favorite color? What's your cup size?
I knew that was coming sooner or later. C cup.
Okay, so... Hobby, beige, height, cup, age, don't know, occupation, season, blah, Anne Marie, still cute, last name. Give her these.
Sweet.
And
I'm more of a sweets kind of. Nah, I'll save that for you. I want to ask you about something we talked about before.
shoot.
Part of me hopes you don't actually remember this, but what size is my bra? Nope. Wait, no, that's actually right. Wow. Nobody else has ever asked me out before. It's weird. But, okay, sure.
Let's see if I can have better luck this time. Carnival. What is with you?
Let's go win some stupid shit.
Seriously, what
I've
is...
got the games here figured out.
Seriously, what is with you in your pajamas? So you like blue, if my memory is correct. For sure. Yay, that helped.
Thank you.
Babalushki. Babalushki. Oh god, I haven't been keeping track of moves. Whoa, what the heck?
Not too bad.
Okay, got scared there for a sec. 14. Got 6 moves.
Wow. I'm not sure what to say. Oh, of course.
I forgot about that. Fudge a duck. Oh boy. I am royally...
Aw, yikes.
Or maybe not. I think that might have saved me. Yeah, that... I done effed up.
Yep, just like I thought. You guys are all the same.
Well, screw you too. Okay. Well, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna probably edit out some of the date stuff, so... I'm gonna talk to Ayako.
Me too. I need to go home and pass out.
Yeah, and you're probably not gonna think of me. Whoa!
Morning.
Damn. That's the only thing I have to say.
Fuck, that hit the spot. Sorry, I'm just trying to watch what I eat. Let me ask you something. What's your ideal perfect vacation like?
Oh god, for me it'd be going to someplace warm.
You wish!
What? That's a legit thing. I'd actually like to go to a tropical resort.
So, hey, question. What's your most fucked up sexual fantasy?
Oh god.
That can be arranged.
Please don't.
Something I can help you with? My full name is Aiko Yumi. I know. Could I be more Japanese?
Hey, nothing wrong being Japanese. I'm Japanese. And
You, sir, have got yourself a date.
yay! Yeah, I don't think I've gone on a date with Ayako yet in this episode. Yeah, so...
This place is great. I think I'm gonna pick up some dinner while we're here.
Let's see, she likes red.
You shouldn't have. Not bad.
I know, I'm just trying to focus on the sentiment and on the reds and...
Mr. Moneybags over here.
Good lord, that kinda effed me up. Oh, never mind. Wait. Temporarily, at least. This is what... Wait, actually, first...
Not bad. almost rather be teaching class right now.
Well, screw you too. Well, okay. I think I'm done for now, so thank you all so much for watching. Good lord, if you guys have any more tips or anything about this game, let me know down in the comments. And please like and subscribe this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, on Twitter. And like always, I'll see you, my fellow gamers, in the next video. See ya!